Pause muna natin ang sound test dahil need muna nating mag-unbox. Nabili ko for 271 pesos only from Shopee seller Tilex official store. Ito ang Tilex XM16 5 watts Bluetooth speaker. Laman ng box is yung Type-C charging cable, yung astig na 5 watt speaker na mismo in this red variant, at yung owner's manual. Eto na naman. Here we go. Ang neat pala nitong Tilex XM16. Immediately, this form and size reminds me of the JBL Go 4. Although monotone ang color theme, di tulad sa two-tone ng Go 4. Minimalist at very straightforward yung design. If you like simple and nice stuff, sakto itong modest design ng XM16 sa inyo. 80% ng speaker is wrapped in this nice-looking red fabric speaker mesh. The other 20% is plastic. Initial impression ko is parang magkakrack ito pag nag-impact sa plastic area. To turn on, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Ganda ng boses. Approve. During pairing, select niyo yung XM16 and then tap pair.
Connected.
Ayan, paired na. Time for the sound test. Sound performance. Dominant ang mid-range ng XM16 at may pagka-nasal sound. Mas loud ang vocals at instruments. At huli naman, ang highs. Enter Aura Sherry BS20, which has dominant highs and mids simultaneously. Comparing the sound, di matatago pagka-nasal sound ng XM16 versus the finely tuned and well-balanced sound from the JBL Go 4. Yup, confirm. Nasal talaga. If solo lang ang XM16, it's difficult to notice this. So the secret is to not compare. Now to the lows, the bass. Angat ng XM16 sa Aura Sherry BS20 dito. The impression na malakas ang bass for its small size is there. Just don't compare with the JBL Go 4. For its price, panalo ang Tilex XM16. Approve sa akin ang overall sound quality despite my critique. May USB slot and card slot and can answer phone calls. Minimalist design plus yung format lead nito seals the deal for me. Thank you for watching up to this point, guys. Please remember to click the like and subscribe button. Ingat po sila.
Power off.
May Twen, out.